continuous and repeating patterns. So what comes in your mind if you hear the word pattern? So pattern can be images, colors, shapes, figures, or etc. So they repeat themselves over and over again according to a certain rule. So for example, we have an example here. We have figures, or we have shapes here. So we have triangle, circle, rectangle, crescent, and triangle. So as you observe and as you notice, so they are patterned because they are repeating themselves over and over again. So as you can see in the first figure, this is triangle, and for the last figure is also triangle. So in the first figure, what comes next? So circle, obviously circle. So circle. So that is one of the example of repeating pattern. I have here also some examples for the patterns, for the continuous and repeating pattern. So example number 1, A, C, A, C, A, and what comes next? So as you can see, as you can notice, after A, Z comes next. So after Z, A. So it repeats over and over again. So what comes next after A? So obviously, letter Z. So the answer is Z. So number 2, 3, C, 6, F, 9, I, 12. So as you can see, as you observe, so they are divisible in 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So the numbers are divisible in number 3. In 3. So if you add 3 plus 3 equals 6. If you add 3 plus into 6, the answer is 9. 9 plus 3, the answer is 12. So divisible by 3. So in letters C, F, I. So in the letters, as you can see, if we count 3, the answer is the next letter. So the first letter is C. So if you count 3, for example, C, D, E, F. So 3. So you will count 3. The next is F. The result is F. So if you count 3, after the F, F, G, H, I. So I. So what will be the answer? So after 12, you can count 3 after the I. Count 3 times. So I, J, K, L. So the answer is L. So L. So that is the example. Some of the example of continuous and repeating patterns. Another examples are in example number 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what comes next? So we will subtract 4 into 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So if you observe, their difference is 2. So if you will add also 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So, if you add 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. Because if you add 8 into 2, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So, another example for the last example. 65, 55, 45, 35, 25. So, what comes next in the sequence? So, if you subtract 65 to 55, the difference is 10. 55 to 45, 10. If you subtract 45 to 35, the answer is 10. So 35 to minus 25, the answer is 10. So the difference is 10. So if you subtract 25 minus 10, so the answer is 15. Yes, because 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. Review for the conclusion. The repeating pattern are the pattern that repeats themselves over and over again in a certain rule. So that is for today. So thank you for listening. Goodbye.